Welcome to my channel Ask Nina Teacher. When I was in school, I often came across students who had not taken a bath before coming to school in the morning. And when I asked them why, you know what they said? Number one reason was, teacher, we have no time in the morning to take a bath. Quite understandable. The second reason was, teacher, there is no need to take a bath. Can you imagine that? They said they took a bath at night. Their bodies were clean. Why waste time by taking another bath in the morning? And the third reason they gave is that their mummies preferred them to take a bath after school when they returned all sweaty and dusty. Acceptable. But dear parents, we must understand why we need to take more than once a bath. Just like we brush our teeth twice a day, at night it is to clean our teeth, in the morning to feel fresh. Bathing is just like that. At night when we take a bath, it helps us to clean our body, to make us feel relaxed and ready for a sound sleep. And in the morning, the same bath has an opposite effect. It gets us out of sleep mode, makes us feel fresh and energetic. What happens when your child comes to school without taking a bath? First, your child is not able to concentrate in class. Your child is drowsy, yawning, even if they had enough sleep at night. The second is a social effect. Our body does emit a certain kind of smell which puts off people if we don't take a bath. And if another student points it out to your child feels very low. And that's not the way to feel in school, especially when you are learning. And the third effect is at the mental level. The dopamine levels are low. What is dopamine? Dopamine is the go-getter hormone. It is released in our body when we take a bath. It is this hormone which increases the productivity of your child, makes your child more creative. Another way a bath helps us is increasing our immunity. When you take bath in the morning, our body is stimulated and it makes fresh white blood cells, and that increases our immunity. If your child is having a cough, having a warm bath in the morning clears all the accumulated mucus and gives a lot of relief for your child to have, and then your child can have a good day at school. Another way a bath helps you is to decrease the stress levels. Unfortunately, in today's world, our children are also very stressed. They are stressed about unit tests or exams or some competitions. A cold bath ensures that our brain gets a lot of oxygen. And when the oxygen levels rise, stress levels dip. That is the short way of feeling stress-free. A bath also increases the blood circulation. When you take a bath, the blood rises to the skin surface. Do you know when we are sleeping, our internal organs are on the go, they are working, and a lot of toxins are released through our pores, through sweat, and they emit a certain smell which is quite unpleasant. When you take a bath in the morning, all the toxins are washed away, making you feel fresh and ready to face the day. So a bath does energize you, make you feel fresh. A lot of children have coffee or tea in the morning before coming to school so that they are awake. But that's not the age to take stimulants like that. A good bath is the most powerful stimulant you can give to your child. Whether your child should have a hot water bath or a cold water bath depends on the season. Both have their own benefits. But let me end this video by giving you a fun tip so that your child looks forward to the bathing experience every morning. Get a good loofah or a colorful bath sponge for your child. Buy a shower gel which has a fragrance which a child likes. And when you scrub your body using a loofah and a shower gel, it really is a refreshing experience, a magical experience. Only when you try it, you will know the difference. And that's a wonderful way to start the day. I hope the tips which I have given you today will help you to help your child do better in school. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.